Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel. Home gardening with plants and flowers is a beautiful and peaceful hobby. It's bring color, freshness and happiness into your home. Even if you have a small space like a balcony, a rooftop and corner of your yard, you can start gardening easily. Plants and flower make your surrounding look nice and feel calm. Flowers like roses, jasmine, and marigold, sunflowers, sucks not only is look beautiful and but also small great green plant with the money plant and aloe vera snack plants to tulsi clean air and give fresh oxygen. You can place them in your living room, kitchen, window, and even your bedroom. To begin gardening, you can only need a few basic tools like small spade and watering can, a spray bottle, and good quality soil with compost. You can buy these from local plant shops online, and every plant needs the right amount of water and sunlight. Some flower is fully sunlight like a marigold and sunflower, and while other growing better in shade like fern and snake plant. It's also important to grow the right plant for the right season. For example, Zinnias and Cosmos is summer, and Pansius and in water. If you can, busy persons choose low maintenance plants like uh, uh, secrets and which does not much water. You can make your garden creative to plant flower in old bottles and decorate old tire and use them flower beds or make a vertical wall garden using the shelves with the colorful pots in balconies and rooftop hanging baskets look very pretty. You can grow trailing plants like money plant or ivy in them. Container gardening is also popular. This means planting in pot made of clay, plastic, and ceramic. Gardening is not just for beauty, it's good for your health too. It's reduce stress, help your mind relax, and make you feel connected to nature. Watching a plant growing, seeing its first flower bloom, it gives you a peaceful and happy feeling. Gardening is also great activity to do with kids. Give children to small gardening set, let them plant the favorite flowers. This teaches them about of nature's to patience and responsibility. You can even use kitchen waste like fruit peels to leaves and vegetable scrap to make a compost. This is good fertilizer for your plant and reduce waste. And spending is few minutes in this video and you are gardening every morning, every evening to watering his plant and enjoying fresh air is relaxing. Besides flower, you can also grow herbs to like mint and coriander, basils and lemongrass. These are used in your cooking and look nice too. You can growing them in small pots, hanging planter. If you love color, mix different types too of flower like yellow and marigold, red roses and pink pansies to make your garden look bright and cheerful. Some flowers like Raat Ki Rani bloom at the night of make and air small amazing to attractive birds and butterflies. Plants flowers with the nectar like marigold to lavender and sunflower. These little visitors to bring life to your garden. You can also add small bird bath and water fountain to make your garden feel more natural. You don't need to spend lot of money to make a nice garden. Use a old bottles planter and make seed pots from newspapers and recycle other household items. This is eco-friendly ideas help the environment and save money. Today there are many smart gardening tools available like a grow bags and trays kits and vertical shelves and self-watering pots which are great for the beginners. You can also watch video and new ideas with gardening and journey. Sometimes a plants may not growing well, but you learn to from it and try again. Being with nature touches to you patience, focus on calmness, and every home should have little garden and even single tulsi plant in pot of small vertical garden on wall can make big difference. Plants bring good energy, beauty and peace. So if you have not started to gardening yet, now it is a great time and small time enjoying the process, and slowly this simple hobby will bring color and happiness in your life. I hope you're doing well today. Like my video, subscribe my channel for more videos update. गार्डनिंग में सबसे पहले आपने अपने घर की स्पेस को देखना होता है और उसी जगह को मैनेज करना है जो आपके घर की फ्रंट साइड पे हो। फ्रंट साइड गार्डन आपके घर की इम्प्रूवमेंट एंड लुक को और बढ़ा देता है, जिससे आने वाले घर में गेस्ट को बहुत ही रिलैक्सेशन एंड नेचुरल फील आती है, जिससे आपके घर की पर्सनैलिटी और घर का माहौल और भी अच्छा हो जाता है, जिससे आप ख़ुद भी मुस्तफ़ीद होते हैं और आने वाले मेहमान भी। तो इस तरीके से आपको कहीं बड़ी पार्क में जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। गार्डनिंग आपकी स्ट्रेस और जहन को फ्रेश करती है, जिससे आप इजी और नेचुरल फील की वजह से आप अपने आप को सुकूनदायक माहौल में महसूस करते हैं। मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आज की वीडियो आपको पसंद आई होगी। अब तक के लिए इतने, फिर मिलेंगे। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।